Hey guys, Jose Tutorials here. Today I will be showcasing you how to uninstall Microsoft Edge. Before we start the video, please like and subscribe for more tutorial videos like these. Are you tired of Microsoft Edge taking up memory in the background? Well, today we'll be fixing that. Firstly, right-click on your desktop. Then hover over the new option, then click Text Document. Open the text document file and paste this command. This text command will be in the description below. After you pasted the command, click on File at top left and click on Save As. Name it to Remove Edge .bat. Make sure to save to your desktop. Now exit the text document and double-click on the Remove Edge .bat file. As you can see, Microsoft Edge is successfully uninstalled. Now let's see if it's actually uninstalled. As you can see, it is 100% uninstalled. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.